Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to remove any types of spot from your photo very easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. Actually you can remove spot from your skin a variety of ways. For that reason in this lecture I will show you best method that you can follow. So look at, I already added a sample photo in our canvas. Please see, in this skin some spot are available, right? At that time I will remove all spot from this skin. Just follow the process. First of all I am selecting this layer and click right button of my mouse and select duplicate layer. Because I want to create duplicate layer, that's why I press OK. Now I will select spot healing brush tool. That's why I click here and choose spot healing brush tool. Currently you can choose your brush size as your need, like this. Just select here and choose your brush size from here. I hope this brush size is perfect for me. Now I will click on spot like this. Look, the spot has been gone. I again choose spot and click. Look, it's also gone, right? Now I select this one and click. Again select this one and click. Just follow the process. Hey guys, can you get the point? The all spot has been gone, right? This is our new look and it's our previous look. So guys, I hope in this way you can easily remove spot from your skin. Thank you so much for watching. See you next lecture. So stay connected.